right, so what is the world's longest punctuation mark? We're talking about the distributive property. And if you look at this, doesn't this look like the generic rectangles we did, except it's got letters up here? So when we talk about it, we're talking about 4 times x plus 4 times y. 4 times x plus 4 times y. Could you also say, because what we're doing here is circle the expression that does not, reading the directions is probably the most important thing about doing math than anything else, especially when you're doing assignments, does not represent the area of the outside shaded rectangle. So you see 4 times x plus 4 times y, just like generic rectangles. So we know this one's good. That one's a good one. There's only one that doesn't work. What does this do? It's a distributive property. So it's saying 4 times x plus 4 times y. Isn't that exactly the same thing? Just like here. 9 times a plus 9 times b is the same as 9a plus 9b. It's just saying the same thing 2 different ways. What about this one? X times quantity x plus 5. Well, 5x here, because we put the integer first. That's called a coefficient. What goes in this first line? If it's x times x? What is it? How many x? What do we say when we have x times x? X to the power of 2, or x to the second power, or x squared. All of those are correct. On this side, they gave it to us in this format, and we're going to undo it, or we're going to use the distributive property. So what you do is you find the common term. So what's common between 7x and 7y? 7. Pull out 7. After you pull 7 out, you've got x left. Plus, keep the operator the same. Then what's left here?
Y.
Put it right here. Okay? 8a. Well, let's try find a number. Oh, here's a good one. nt plus 4n. What do they have in common? N. Pull n out. What's left after n comes out? T. Use the operator. What's left after n comes out? 4. Questions? Pretty straightforward.